Hey Weaver Beavers! In this week's STEM challenge, we're gonna do some tie-dyeing. It's not your usual tie-dyeing, it's STEM tie-dyeing. Our materials are a little different. Instead of using ink and a shirt, we're gonna use paper, shaving cream, and food coloring. Those are the three materials you'll need, along with a dish to put your food coloring in. All right, let's head to my kitchen and tackle this experiment. Come on. All right, now that we're at my kitchen, let's work through this project. I have a plate full of shaving cream. I used a spoon just to spread it around so it's nice and flat, because usually it comes out kind of lumpy. I also have my food coloring, and I have a toothpick to mix it around. You'll also need it to scrape off your paper. Then I'm using an envelope as my paper. You could use plain white paper, a note card, or a plain white card. They make awesome greeting cards. What you're going to do is take your food coloring and add dots all over your shaving cream. You might want to mix up the colors to create a cool pattern. I'm going to add some red, and I'm also going to add some yellow. I think that'll make a cool sunset color. If you notice, the food coloring is laying on top of the shaving cream. It's not really blending in. We'll talk about that in a minute. Then you'll take your toothpick or whatever you use and mix it up to create our marble tie-dye pattern. You can kind of swirl it around however you want. The more you swirl, the cooler it looks. Here's mine. Finally, you'll lay your card or paper flat down, press it down a little, and then lift it up and scrape off the shaving cream. I'm gonna do mine. You can zoom in to see. I'm gonna press it down, making sure it's all covered. Lift it up and scrape off all of my shaving cream. And I'm left with a sweet marble pattern. I could probably do a better job scraping it off, but this works for now. All right, let's get to the science. Remember when I said pay attention to the food coloring? You could see that it wasn't soaking in to our shaving cream. Usually when you put food coloring in something, it soaks right in. Shaving cream is made out of soap. Soap is interesting because the molecules in it have two ends. One end is hydrophobic. It does not like water. The other end really does like water, so they're kind of competing. Our food coloring is usually made out of water. When you dump it in, since there's those two separated ends, those two different ends, one that likes water and one that does not, it doesn't seep in like it normally would. That's why when we lay our card on the top, we're able to get the dye in our card and scrape the shaving cream right off. I would love for you to try these at home. Make sure that you have shaving cream, food coloring, and some sort of paper to marble or tie-dye. Make sure you send me your pictures, videos, and messages to my email. Good luck.